Hi friends, I am BK Glotra. Today we are going to learn about auxiliary verbs. What is auxiliary verb? An auxiliary verb is a verb that adds functional or grammatical meaning to the clause to express tense, aspect, etc. Auxiliary verbs usually accompany a main verb. Auxiliary verbs are so called because they help to form various tenses, moods and voices of other verbs. We already learned about is, am, are. Today we are going to learn about was and were. But before going to learn about was, were, first we are going to revise about is, am, are. Is used with singular object. Example, she is my friend. Am. Am used with I. For example, I am your friend. Are used with you and plural objects. For example, Sita and Ram are my best friends.
इनके ही प्रयोग से ही वाक्य पूर्ण स्पर्श और शब्द अर्थ देने लगते हैं.
Now we look where to be used was. Was used with singular pronouns, that is he, she, it or I. Now let's learn use of was through these examples. First example, she was combing her hairs.
वह अपने बालों में कंघी कर रही थी.
When we use singular subject and talking about past event, we use was in those sentences. Next example, he was ringing the bell.
वह घंटी बजा रहा था.
Next example, it was midnight.
आधी रात का समय था. हिंदी में जिन वाक्यों के पीछे था हो में वहाँ was का प्रयोग होता है.
Now we will going to learn about were, where were used. Were used with plural subjects like pronouns such as we, you and they. We used were with plural subjects like pronouns, that is we, you, they. Now we're going to look at examples. First example, you were at my house.
तुम मेरे घर में थे.
Next example, we were staying with Sham.
हम शाम के घर में ठहरे हुए थे.
Next example, they were talking.
वह बातें कर रहे थे.
Now we will going to see where we used was and were.
हिंदी में जिन वाक्यों के पीछे थे हो अंग्रेजी में वहाँ वर का प्रयोग होता है.
And now we're going to learn about was.
हिंदी में जिन वाक्यों के पीछे था हो अंग्रेजी में वहाँ was का प्रयोग होता है. जैसे हम जैसे मैं जा रहा था, I was going.
Now we were going to learn about use of was word in affirmative sentences. Before going to learn about use of was word in affirmative sentences, first we're going to learn about what is affirmative sentences. An affirmative statement is any statement or declaration that is positive. An affirmative statement can also refer to as an assertive sentences or affirmative proposition. For example, he was my friend. Are all affirmative sentences where the subjects are actively doing something, they're making a positive statement about noun in motion. An affirmative word, phrase or sentence express the validity or truth of a basic assertion, while now we're going to learn about affirmative sentences through examples. First example, he was my friend.
वह मेरा दोस्त था.
You were on leave yesterday.
आप कल छुट्टी पर थे.
Now we're going to learn about negative sentences. A negative sentence is a sentence that states that something is false. Negative sentences by adding word not after the auxiliary or helping verb. For example, Mohan was not thirsty.
मोहन प्यासा नहीं था.
The grapes were not sour.
अंगूर खट्टे नहीं थे.
Shyam was not sick.
श्याम बीमार नहीं था.
Now we're going to learn about interrogative sentences. An interrogative sentence asks a direct question and is punctuated at the end with the question mark. An interrogative sentence is a sentence that asks a question. The term used in grammar to refer to features that form question. Interrogative sentence whose form shows that it is a question. For example, was the lion in the cage?
क्या शेर पिंजरे में था?
Next example, was she your sister?
क्या वह तुम्हारी बहन थी?
Now we're going to see rules about where it used. Was word. Singular subject that he, she, it or I used with was.
ਸਿੰਗੂਲਰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਅਤੇ he, she, it ਅਤੇ I ਨਾਲ was ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰੋ.
Second rule, plural subject that we, you, they used with were.
ਪਲੂਰਲ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਅਤੇ we, you, they ਦੇ ਨਾਲ were ਦੀ ਵਰਤੋਂ ਕਰੋ.
In negative sentence with was were used with not.
ਨੈਗੇਟਿਵ ਟੈਂਸ ਵਿੱਚ was ਅਤੇ were ਦੇ ਮਗਰੋਂ not ਵਰਤੋ.
Fourth rule, in interrogative sentence was were used with subject.
ਇੰਟਰੋਗੇਟਿਵ ਸੈਂਟੈਂਸਸ ਵਿੱਚ was ਅਤੇ were ਨੂੰ ਸਬਜੈਕਟ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਵਰਤੋ.
thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share, like and comment.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.